somebody obey me.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, and I had to clear it.
Do not believe that. They believe like, listen, talking about my dirty laundry or my business is not conducive to my brand.
Right.
How do you feel about that?
I feel like, as you said, all press is good press, but it's like certain people in the space, they're gonna take feelings into it.
Right.
Me bust her. That's all I'm telling you. Like I bust her. I had her in my hand like this.
Do you feel like this song, God is gonna speed you to the front? That's what it is. Okay,
It makes sense.
I'm trying to make the analogies
if
there.
You know, if you look up the definition, Godspeed mean good travel or what.
Okay.
I've been a side man more than I've been the main man.
Hold on.
Oh,
I have a question.
I'm just telling the truth. You know what I'm
Listen.
saying?
All right, welcome back to Nuff Talk Podcast. This is your girl Lex. You know, I'm just giving you the best of the best and the real of the real. And I'm here with Sash.
You know, one and only.
That was a nice
yeah, I love that intro.
Yeah.
That was so cute.
Very,
but yeah, we're here
floaty.
again.
We're here again.
Big up One Nuff Talk.
One Nuff Talk, one Wagwan Dancehall, one me, one God. Big up God any day.
Wagwan Dancehall, I'm representing.
We definitely have to get back to the artists them, right? We have a lot of conversations with other artists, but I want to get to more New York based artists, right? So today we have in the building Yanni Cassanova.
Yeah. Thank you for coming.
Yeah.
Big up Wagwan Dancehall.
Yeah, big up Nuff Talk.
Yes, we love that.
Yeah.
But I have so many questions about you because I don't know too much about you, but I know about your music, right? And I do hear about you, but in certain situations, okay.
I feel like right now in today's dancehall landscape, I have a lot to do with what's going on. But
really,
that's just my opinion.
What's going on with
I'm gonna unpack it as the interview goes along.
Well, so let's first of all let the people get to know you first. All right?
Let's start slow.
So let's just start there, right? So first question that I want to ask, because this is like the confusing, because I see you all over the place. Are you based in New York or are you based
all over? You know what I mean? Anywhere the bookings is, that's where I'm at.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? So
I'm gonna claim you as New York. All right.
Yeah,
We're just gonna leave it that way.
Anywhere the bookings is, the man said that's where I'm there. All right.
Yeah.
But I seen you had a EP drop this year, right? So you had a lot of new music and things like that. But I want to start from like the beginning, right? So you're from Mandeville, right? Big up Mandeville.
Big up Mandeville. Wait, time out. What part of Mandeville?
Well, Banana Ground.
Because when I go to Mandeville, so my aunts, they live in Mandeville. So when I go to Jamaica, I always stay in Mandeville. My aunts are in Ingleside, and then my grandfather's from New Green.
Oh, man.
Well,
yeah.
So I'm proud.
Big up solid music. He got a studio in New Green.
In New Green? Okay.
What part is that? That's the south, the east?
That's a good question. I don't know.
It's not south, but it's like you have to go past North Patrick and Newport.
Okay, so my family's more towards like the Plowden, Newport.
Okay.
Alipon?
Yeah, they're down there. You might be my cousin.
Listen, let me tell you.
Wow.
Like literally that whole area is a bunch of them.
That's where your family is originally from. They're from Mandeville?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But people don't know that Manchester have a beach.
Yeah, Alligator Pond, yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So I thought that was a known thing, no?
No, people don't know.
We know it, but a lot of people don't know.
Little Ochi area and all that.
People that's in Kingston, I know people in Kingston.
They don't know. People in Kingston know Kingston?
Yeah.
They call Little Ochi.
Yeah, and their food is mad good.
It is. No, I love it.
Yeah.
So speaking of being that you're from Mandeville, right? And a lot of people tend to say, "Oh, I'm from Kingston, this and the third." That's where the music is from. There's people from like country and stuff. But how do you feel that being from Mandeville kind of shaped you as an artist?
Well, it's like a humbleness that come with it. You know what I'm saying? That big up Kingston still, because on my version, I was just out there. You know what I'm saying?
And it's the capital.
It's just a little humbleness that come with the music and come with your personality that I don't think nowhere else got. Like,
really? What do you mean by that?
But like, because I don't know, we used to growing our own food,
right?
You know what I mean, raising our own fowl, raising the chicken them, raising the pig them. You know what I'm saying? Rastan and them pig, but we're raising it's enough, man. You know what I mean? Damn it. So it's like
a rooted thing, right?
Yeah,
like
rooted. That's basically another word for humble. Like, you know what I'm saying? You understand that you have to work for everything.
Right, humble beginning.
Right. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? And you're not bossy like that, but
that's true. Country people are very like they are bossy, but they're very
it's
just
like a subtle bossy.
It's bossy because you have things.
Yeah.
but it's not yourself that's boasting.
Yeah, it's just
about, you know
like what I have is what it is, but I don't need to say too much.
I think it's also like a subtle bossy. Like they're not necessarily trying to be bossy. They're not trying to brag. They're not trying to whatever. But I feel like the way they carry themselves, the way
I don't live on a tenement yard.
Like
no,
the way
that's number one. But
no,
big up Kingston, big up.
My family is out there, but I'm just saying, like, country's just a different vibe, right? You know what I mean? So speaking of that, were you more connected to reggae or dancehall in the beginning, or it's always been?
Like, grew up in the States, you know what I'm saying?
When did you come up here?
I fucking about 6 years old. I could curse though.
Yes.
This is a free
6
for
years
all.
old. So it's been like most of my life in the States. You know what I'm saying? But I always go, you know what I mean, back and forth.
So is that early? Like that's the 90s? You don't gotta tell us your age, 90s, but I can tell you a little. Okay.
How old I look?
You look fairly young.
You do. You feel it's given 90s.
But that's in the 90s.
It's given 90s. Okay.
Back in the 90s, 2000. You know what I'm saying? So I said hip hop. I was fucking trying to rap at one point.
Really?
You know what I'm saying?
Really?
I song too, called Condolences. You see the video?
Oh wait.
I went crazy.
Wait, okay, so who was one of your favorite rappers, or what rapper influenced you to rap?
It's enough of them. Like
name top 5.
Top 5. All right. I'ma say Lil Wayne.
Okay.
I can see that.
I say Drake.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then let me see.
I said 5, but if you want to go to 3, that's cool.
Fetty Wap, like
really?
Yeah.
And he came a little later though.
Fetty Wap was
no big up Fetty anyway. And
Fetty Wap is lit, but I just didn't think you would say that.
Oh yeah, that is true though. Yeah, Fetty
was lit. And from what I see now, he's looking like he's pretty still lit.
No, that is true. Like he's like growing up wise.
He was going crazy.
Okay, so Fetty Wap, Lil Wayne, Drake. 2 more.
2 more. 2 more. I'm gonna give.
I feel like it's so hard for him.
Jay-Z. You know what I'm saying? Of course, Jay-Z.
It's cultured, okay.
Yeah, just
make sure you mention the goal. Okay, I'm
so
judging.
what made you like? Because some people do come up here like, was Biggie born? Biggie wasn't born here, right?
In Brooklyn.
He was born in Brooklyn.
Yeah,
from what I know, Biggie was born in Brooklyn. His mom is Jamaican, but from what I know, don't quote me because I know y'all like to tussle.
Right.
Okay, but from what I know, we can confirm it. It's right here, but. Biggie, I believe, was born in
here,
the Bronx.
Right?
In the Bronx. Oh my God, in Brooklyn. They're gonna kill me. They're gonna kill me. It was a mistake. Biggie was born in Brooklyn. Woo.
But so what I'm saying is like, based on people come up here, they either pick dance-hall or rap. And being that you came here so young, what made you say, you know what, I'm gonna stick to my roots and not do like what's his name, like a Heavy D or like if Biggie was born there, but even Biggie being born there, not like that type of concept.
I'm gonna say right now, the line is blurred. Like if you look at Skilly Bang.
Sorry, just to confirm, Biggie was born in the Bronx. In the Bronx. Oh God, Biggie was born in.
Please
in
get it right.
Just
get it right.
We're gonna edit this one more time, just to confirm. Like I said, I know y'all like to tussle. Biggie, one of the best rappers out of New York City, was born in Brooklyn.
All right.
Yeah, the line blurred right now, right? You know what I'm saying? Because music is music right now, so. If somebody followed some raps and thing, bro, don't be surprised if I get on some raps and thing. Cause like I said, look at Skilly Bang. You know what I'm saying? Right now, he not on no dance. You ever heard of Skilly Bang on the dancehall rhythm?
Like he's dancehall artist.
He don't affiliate. He's tapping into Afrobeats. He's tapping into R&B, pop. He's really tapping into mad
on a dancehall rhythm.
Genres. When is his song? When is his song? Yeah, it's his song. But we're talking about like features and like mainstream records.
Like if you study the music, not even on his song, because he understands the game. You feel what I'm saying? That's why he's leading right now. If you look up, but get back to the point. It's just I feel like the lines is blurred.
I notice a lot of people who live up here. They tend to do like not the crossover thing, but they don't have a genre. Yeah. Which do you feel like the American influence is a part of that, or is just like trying to be diverse?
It's definitely got to be diverse because you can't make enough money in the music with just locking down one place with one people.
Some artists feel like I don't think some artists don't care. Some artists refuse to come out that lane. They're like, this is what I am. I don't want to.
Some do, some don't. But I feel like the new generation understand it. Like that's why
true.
Chop dancehall. That's why you understand. Yeah. It's just. You know what I'm saying? It's just the way music go. Like it's the way influence go. Like everything. Now we could jump on a plane so easier than back in the 90s, 80s, and 70s.
Right.
Now,
you can book a flight. We can all plan to go to Jamaica tomorrow morning.
What the culture is in fucking.
I guess that's what it is. Social media is like now, it crosses over.
Technology.
Yeah. Right now, it's just good music running the thing right now.
That's a fact. Yeah.
That's it. If it sound like. You feel me? Dancehall number one.
Dancehall can't stop.
Yeah,
dancehall can't
stop. Can't stop.
Dancehall can't stop. But
no matter how much you stifle it, even when you put them in jail.
I believe that dancehall is personally, I've seen in the past, I would say like 5 years. I don't know if it maybe like 10 years ago, right? Or maybe 12, 13. I don't know. Don't call me on the numbers. You see the way Afrobeats took off, right? Afrobeats wasn't necessarily a music genre, right? Afrobeats did not have a category in the Recording Academy at the Grammys or whatever. But because Afrobeats has become so mainstream over the last how much ever years, 5, 6, 7, whatever, that it is a part of pop culture, right? I feel like I see from in recent years, dancehall is moving in that direction, and it's just pushing the needle, and all the stuff that's been going on, all the stuff with the rhythm, with Russian, with the Genius, with DJ Mac, all of that stuff that's going on, it's all just coming together for us to really just be highlighted on some like we're a force to be reckoned with. Like,
but Afrobeats is basically dancehall. Like,
look at reggaeton. Look at reggaeton. Reggaeton is literally a stem, an umbrella from reggae music, right?
I agree. But what I want to ask you though, right? So with that same topic, right? Do you feel like this generation is now like being more, how do I say without being rude, more business professional to get to that route? Do you feel like that's
what does business professional mean?
So when I mean business professional, like your brethren is not your manager, your PR, your this, like you're actually doing proper things. Yeah. You get what I mean?
Okay.
Whereas before it was a lot of friend thing.
My homeboy, I can see that. I can see that.
Right. So do you feel like, being that now you're in this space, you're a part of this not new dance hall, but the emerging dance hall to the forefront. What do you feel like has changed from back then till now, aside from what I said?
Is like, as you said, like more people understand the game. Like more people understand what it takes to make it work. So they keep they keep a group of people where they can put on and be the link now. Like now, like you said, it's not like, oh, you have to know. Before in the 90s and early 2000s, you have to know somebody to record.
Okay,
you know what I'm saying? You have to know somebody. But now, you understand the game. You just get a laptop, get a fucking person went off a mix, mic, and all that shit. And then you grab for PR, you grab for all that. Everybody knows
it's accessible now.
Yeah, you press
okay, that's true. I think that's what it is, the open knowledge of it. Yeah. But speaking more back to you, right? So one of your first songs was called Rise, right? So that was more of like a breakout song with more of like elevation, self-belief and stuff like that. So what was going on through your life at that time that made you create such music? Because obviously like you could have made more gunman type tune, but you chose to make that. Why is that?
But I mean, it was for the hurricane, you know what I'm saying? It was to inject upliftment to the space, like, you know what I'm saying? Because people didn't want to hear all that, you know what I'm saying, gunman and negativity. They wanted to hear something that was positive and uplifting, you know what I'm saying, to get over that hump that we have, you know what I'm saying? So that was.
And this was a recent hurricane?
Yeah, that was the
Melissa.
Oh, okay, okay.
Right. That was produced by John FX too. You know what I'm saying? Big up John FX. So you know John FX, right?
Yeah, I've heard of him before.
I've heard of him. I don't personally know him, but I've heard of him and his work.
XX Tentacion, you know.
Okay. He's dope.
He from fucking Waterhouse.
Really?
Yeah. Okay. Interesting.
What's his name? XX.
Is his grandmother from Jamaica or is that NLE Chopper?
His mom.
Oh, his mom is from Jamaica. Okay. Because I know NLE Chopper is
Jamaican.
Okay. Oh. A lot of these artists be Jamaican, but whatever.
So Jamaica has an influence.
That's how we made the link. You know what I'm saying? So it's just. And you know what I mean? I really make music for the ladies, really and truly. You know what I'm saying? My music is
so you cater to the gal lab?
Yeah.
So let's just get straight to your EP, right? That was like, I wasn't soon. I was like, all right. So based on your influences, I can see how it fell into that. So take us through like the creative process of that, because it's called. It's called GodSpeed,
GodSpeed,
right?
yeah.
But it's like a mixture of
yeah. What I'm
God
saying?
in it a little bit, but but God is not at the forefront.
No.
So like, walk us through like the creation of that and stuff like that.
The lead song I have on there called "Who,"
Mm-hmm.
and I'm saying it's going crazy right now in the streets
Mhm.
of Kingston right now. Big up Rooksy.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? You know DJ Rooksy? You know?
Yeah.
I'm a G.
Yes.
That's my brother right
Mhm.
there, bro. Like, he playing it, and it's just going crazy. I went out there back in March.
Mm-hmm.
It's crazy. I did a show out
When
here
did you go?
in March?
East?
March, the weekend of
Oh.
March 14th.
Okay.
Yeah, I remember. 'Cause I was
Back
on.
up,
I was
back
at.
up a little bit from
Okay,
me.
I was
Yeah.
at Feel Good
Mhm.
Thursdays. You know what I'm saying? And
Where's that? Portmore?
no,
Kingston?
no, it's Kingston.
Oh.
Kencott Road. You know what I'm saying? It was nice. Yeah, yo, you gotta see if you look on the Instagram
Mhm.
right now. That shit.
It's taking
Is
over.
lit.
It's taking over.
right
Okay.
now. Taking over right now.
So speaking of being that it's Godspeed and things like that, so your
Mhm.
projects feel very like spiritual grounded. Why is that? So for example, you named it Godspeed. Like, why is
Mhm.
that?
Really and truly, I was wearing the fucking the Godspeed
The
brand,
shirt?
you know?
No way. Yo, when I saw the name, that's why I was purposely quiet.
I was like, oh, so this is very
purposely
spiritual.
because I'm like,
I
did he
buy
get that from the
fucking-
brand?
I buy the suit. I was like, yo.
No, and I
have
like
the
the
song
I love
them
the
I have
brand. The
song
brand
them
is
ready already.
cool.
Like, you know,
Right.
you stay in the studio, you have the song them ready. It's just the name.
You
that
just
you
see
need
the
to drop
name.
on it.
Yeah.
I said, fuck it.
So do you feel like this song, God is gonna speed you to the
Yeah,
front? That's what it
It-
is.
it
Okay,
makes
I'm
sense.
trying to make the analogies
if
there.
you know if you look up the definition, Godspeed mean good travel or whatever. I think it's
Yeah.
yeah. So yeah,
Okay,
why not?
Okay. So I know you recently had a song with Lisa Hyper,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Big up Lisa Hyper.
She is top tier. Put it that way, right?
Yeah,
She could be controversial, but she's top tier.
Listen.
How was it working with her and creating that song, especially Sideman? Like, how was that?
It was crazy. Like it was through a family.
The name of the song is Sideman?
Sideman. Yeah, a video too. I had her for the video.
I see now.
It took a while. You know what I'm saying? Like when we recorded the song, right?
Mhm.
She came to the studio session. I did because I was just recording songs and leaving an open verse because I knew she was forward into the studio session.
Mhm.
So I said, I just did that. She listened to about 3 of them. She said she liked Sideman.
Mhm.
So I just gave her a split.
I feel
She
like
went in the booth
Sideman.
and she-
She likes
You see who
Sideman.
her mentor is.
She
So
recorded that shit
Who's
in
the
like
mentor?
10 minutes.
Cartel.
Cartel, you know what I'm
Oh, I'm bugging.
Yeah,
That's a
man.
simple question. No, I was
Anybody
Yeah,
have that
yeah,
family,
number
even
one.
if they got kicked out,
Yeah,
whatever
yeah,
that is,
yeah.
they all produce like they are on like a
Just
hungry
brawling.
mission.
Yeah.
Even if they're well
brawling
established
with it.
About 10 minutes, I kid you
10
not.
minutes?
Bro, 10 minutes, she laid a verse. She said, oh, she probably put it up one time. She make a mistake one time. She said, boom, ran through it.
Oh my gosh.
said, yeah.
So what was the inspiration behind that song? Because there's always a story to a song. That's not just a, let me
I
just
feel
sing
like-
about a Sideman. Are you
I
a
feel like-
Sideman?
I've been plenty of times.
Okay.
Hold
I've been a
on.
side man
Thank
more
you for
than
being
I've been the
honest.
main man.
Hold on.
Oh,
Okay.
wow.
I have a question. Hold on. Stick up
More
in.
than I've been the
Stick
main man in my
up
life.
I
I've been
have
the
a
side
question.
man.
Stick up in. Did you know you were the side man, or were you unconsciously the side man?
Did you apply to be a Sideman? That's really what it is.
No, because
No.
enough people get in a situation and they don't know that they're a side gal, man, or whatever.
You
But
don't
some of them
know.
want to
You don't
be.
No,
know.
so time out. So
You don't
did
know,
you,
but you find out.
No, okay, so did you didn't know in your
Nah, I didn't
situation.
know, I
Okay,
didn't
so
know.
you found out later
I find
on.
out later.
$1 million question. When you find out,
Multiple
what do you
times,
do?
but this is multiple. You just
Multiple times? What
Also,
are you
you-
doing?
I wouldn't even
Picking
sing the
them
song.
wrong?
Like, this is your job.
God. Why you keep being the side man?
Right.
Like, why are you not the main? What's
I've been
up?
the main. Like I said, I've been the main.
And you,
Less times I've been the side man.
Were you
But when I'm the
demoted
main,
to
it
a
stayed
side man
low- it
before?
stayed
no,
longer.
it don't look like he was demoted. It looked like
Nah,
I'm
never
looking at his
demoted.
eye.
Okay.
And then you know what? I'm gonna
I
talk
was
the
in
truth.
competition with the main
You
man.
met- Okay, so
Not
you give me
competition.
For
you
years.
give me
She
the
been with him for
vibe.
years.
You give me the vibe that you never know say you was a side
Nah, I
man,
didn't
right?
know.
And even when you find out you're the side man, you're doing
Never know.
whatever the fuck you want
You
to do.
might-
I just
Like,
continue the
I'm
I'm doing
program.
my own thing. You
Not
You
you
want
want
me
to
to
get
stop?
with the program?
You want me to stop? You know what?
I don't know. You know why I'm asking? Because some men, they are so, just like some women, they don't know they're the side gal. The second they find out they're the side gal, they're gone. Right?
No, but
and
some
there's
of
some
them
men who
though.
find
Some
out
of
they're the side man and they're so excited.
No, but
they want to
listen.
continue to be the side
Let's be for real. Some of these Caribbean people, they want to be the side.
You know
bitch.
what's
Like, that turns them on.
The craziest part is a woman that told me to make that song too.
Really?
Yeah, she said, you know what?
Based on your life.
Yeah, she said, oh, you know, you do something for this, you do something for that.
You, friend. I don't like this for you. I feel like you could be more than a side.
We're gonna get back to the music, but we won't get to
the drama,
right? Like, speaking of being a side man, right? So I'm not into the social media drama. Maybe on the fake page, right?
No, put me on because whatever y'all. I
know, but I don't know too much. But just give me a debriefing. There was like this thing with you and Ivani. Mm-hmm. I'm just trying to. Was that like a media?
Okay, so her time out. So for those who don't know who Ivani is, because I'm an auntie. From what I know, Ivani is like a social media influencer from Jamaica.
Right.
Okay, all right. And now, how does she know you?
So was that real? That's what I want to know. And don't lie to us.
I'm not gonna lie. I'm telling you the truth. It was real.
Mm-hmm. Was this back in Jamaica?
Me boss Ivani.
What was real, guys? Please inform us.
Was the relationship real?
Me boss her. That's all I'm telling you. Like I boss her. I had her in my hand like this.
I was gonna say something, but I'm not gonna say.
That's what you have to say.
No.
I had her in my hand. It's crazy.
I had her in my hand like this, and it's me put her to the people. Them. You feel what I'm saying?
Really?
Yeah. And then. You know what I'm saying? She is who she is right now.
Because of you. You're taking ownership of that.
I have to. It's the truth.
I still have a lot of questions. I'm not going to lie. I have so many questions. Okay, you said that she was in your hands.
In my hands.
Okay, what does... Remember there's a lot of people who don't know patois. Or what does he mean by your eyes?
This, like, for me, I was breaking the bread. You know what I'm saying? And she was eating the food.
Does she do music?
No. I did it. I bust her through the media, like
media-wise, like influence,
like a personality.
When I met her, she was teething people's page, like
I remember that.
I heard about that. Yeah. Okay.
You know what I'm saying? And then
you changed.
I say she took Shauna Chin page at one point. I don't know if you remember. You know what Shauna Chin?
I heard. Yes. No, I heard about that. Well, how do you take somebody's page?
And it was me that she put on. Like, she said, "Oh, babe, I'm not gonna teeth nobody page again. This is the last one." and that was the last one I make her teeth. Because she did T for Renee 630 page one time.
I remember that.
Yeah. The dancer girl.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And I ended up doing a song with Renee 630. You know what I'm saying? Got 3 million views on YouTube.
But there was no bad blood.
It was bad blood, but...
What?
You know
Music.
Yeah, business.
I didn't make her teeth no page. I didn't empower it. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? But
so what did you do to change? Like, you just like had a conversation?
Yeah, it was money somewhere else. You know what I'm saying? And I started, you know what I mean? Breaking the bread and then... You know what I mean?
Okay, so you changed the direction of...
I changed the direction.
Okay. So thank you for the clarification because I've heard that before, that you guys were in a relationship, and I heard that statement that you said before, but I just didn't know to what...
I'm just telling the truth. You know
Listen,
we love the truth. That's what I talk. I love to talk. No, we want you to talk. That's
enough talk,
right.
Yes.
So, clear the air, just making it well known, but, please do not come for us. This is just a platform. Because, people like to put things together and break things down, but they don't pick up the right stuff.
Don't come for me.
Yeah. I'm just getting clarity for the people. But, so... that happened, right? And, your career still went on. Her career went over and stuff like that. Do you guys still communicate?
No.
No? Okay, well.
The look on his face was dumb. No. It's okay.
But I know there was other mixture happening with you as well, right?
But last time I spoke to her, I'm going to tell you last time I speak to her, when she was warring with The Official.
Really?
Yeah, she did link me because there was some mix-up.
All right, so
my name was brought up into it, and I didn't like it.
So I'm gonna say, Caitlin, when you see this girl, you got to put me on because we be going back and forth on TikTok. So you need to tell me what's happening. I got the info. Tell me more.
Yeah, she linked me when she was warring with before she did a live and she bring up my name because you know what I'm saying, me and The Official had a little thing going in. You know what I'm saying? Big up to my lady now, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to...
No drama, yeah.
No drama.
Aww,
back then,
cute.
it was, you feel me? Like that. And then they went in a little live war.
Back and forth.
Mix up stuff.
Yeah. Sometimes it be staged, in my opinion.
She bring up my name. She said, everything she do, she want to be like me. She was talking about the girl. And she said, she gone with Cassanova.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
So then...
Yikes.
My lady at the time now see that. So it's like... you know what I'm saying? Bring war in my home.
With some chaos.
Because our friend them calling her now because they little number one mix up.
You're like, have you seen this?
So our friend them, they bring up Casanova name in there.
Speaking of just because we don't want to stick too much in a drama, but how does drama like that affect your career? Because some people say in a good way or in a bad way.
Because some people say, I get what you're saying.
Yeah.
All press is good press. There's no such thing as bad press, right? And there's some people who do not believe that. They believe listen, talking about my dirty laundry or my business is not conducive to my brand.
Right.
How do you feel about that?
I feel like, as you said, all press is good press, but is certain people in the space, they're gonna take feelings into it.
Right.
So when you go for a certain link, they mindset is set on that.
It's not. I don't feel like that, and I work in public relations. I do not feel like all press is good press.
I don't think so either.
I don't think, but there are a lot of people, like some of your favorite celebrities, they will take it and run with it. They don't care what they get. They just take it and they'll go.
I feel like for not dancehall artists, but you don't want people to go on a TikTok or Instagram, type up your name, and the first thing they see is drama. But for some people, I know, and I've seen it on TikTok.
Them two guys, some nasty drama they carry in,
Right, and it's their job is their job, and they do what they need to do. But for some people's and I've seen it on TikTok where some people's music gets big from the drama, but then it gets to the point where it's just is it worth it? Because when labels or things are looking you up, they only know you for drama.
If the drama makes them bigger, right, or they get viral because of the drama, and they happen to make music, or they make music and the drama makes them viral, right? A lot of them don't care. They want to go viral, whether it's the drama, my dirty laundry, about my uncle, my music, whatever. They don't care. They just want to go viral because they feel like going viral is going to get me to the next point, right?
That's the goal. But
is it?
Trust me, but it don't. Trust me.
Viral moments don't last that long.
Viral moments do viral.
It's the music. You have to make the right music. Just make
viral moments create revenue all the time? I don't think so. And again,
you've been in those situations. How has that? What was the positivity from situations like that?
I feel like it definitely when I did the collab with Renee, it kind of added to the thing. You know what I'm saying? The music was already there, the vibe was already there, but it's the story, you know what I'm saying? People like the story,
put fuel to the fire.
Yeah.
Okay, so they're seeing
because
there was an issue here.
You know what I'm saying?
And they're you're doing the song with your ex-ops,
right?
So
it was real. Okay, nah.
I'm just joking, guys. Oh my God.
Big up Renee 630.
Big up Renee 630. Big up Ivani, Jamaica, whatever. Everybody. I don't want no.
So speaking of, now that we dove into it, you cleared the air. Nobody come for us. Right? But I know you started almost like a foundation a little bit because of the hurricane in Jamaica. I know a lot of people feel it's past, it's over with. If you're from country, damn well
it's not over with. A lot of people are still dealing with it. People are still dealing with it to this day.
What did you do to help for that situation, or currently still helping for that situation?
Well, currently we're still helping. You know what I'm saying?
And, tell us the name and things like that.
We currently we're still helping. We're looking to raise money for Cumberland, you know what I'm saying, the school. And we send down TVs, you know what I'm saying, we send down different appliances,
supplies
for the houses,
and
you know what I'm
stuff,
saying, for them to rebuild. And we're still doing, you know what I'm saying, it's I'm not the richest.
It's a work in progress. We all are. We all are contributing in so much different
countries.
Where
we know how it
and not even, so funny. I have family in Kingston, Montego Bay, Mandeville, all over. Even if you're not directly affected, you're still, once you're living in Jamaica, you're still somewhat affected. The economy, the people, the energy, everything.
St. Elizabeth is the breadbasket of
literally.
That's what they call it, St. Bess. Big up.
Senti is my favorite parish.
It is.
Let's say that again. Let me hear it.
Senti, the best.
It's beautiful. I love it.
Holland Bamboo one time.
What's one of your favorite places in St. Elizabeth to visit?
Holland Bamboo was.
I say mine is Treasure Beach.
Treasure Beach.
I love Treasure Beach.
Really?
I love Wyatt's Falls too. But Treasure Beach, I don't know. It's just so sentimental to me. I think Treasure Beach. I've been going there from when I was a kid.
Facts.
So every time I go to Jamaica, it's just
leaving from country, driving all the
way. Junction is nice.
No, Junction is nice. Junction is nice.
I think people need to explore more of those parts, especially now with what has happened.
What's going on?
Just still go back, give back, and do things like that. But to bring it back more towards when your EPs, you have a song called Psalms 91, right?
Psalm 91.
And what was the inspiration for that?
Somebody try to obey me.
Whoa, I did not expect that.
Wow. Wait,
Really?
I was fixing my hair.
That just,
Hold on.
I thought that was more of like on a...
No, for real. Somebody tried to obey me. And
What?
I catch wind. So
Really?
Okay. All right, hold
yeah.
on. I got to translate. I got to translate for my people who do not know what abia means.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So in Caribbean, because
Like
I'm sure
witchcrafting, pretty much.
So abia is a form of witchcraft, right? So you're saying that somebody tried to put witchcraft,
they
okay,
did.
aka
Not try, they did. Somebody obey me.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, and I had to clear it.
Cut on clear,
Yeah.
period.
Well, I don't think they abia you because guess what? You're not.
Hello.
There's nothing in here. So as you said before,
me too.
That's what I'm listening to him. I'm like, okay, you're right. They tried, but they didn't succeed, right?
So,
do you think that's a part of your story now? Like,
it's definitely a part of my story. You know what I'm saying? But it's like them people wicked because they still around. Like they can still try cast the next spell.
Right,
you know,
right.
I mean, karma lives. God doesn't die. So I'm pretty, they're still around, but I'm sure karma's doing their rounds.
The music never dies. So I had to drop Psalm 91. And in the song, I said, no duppy can't ride me.
Right,
You know what I'm saying? So God hear it.
Yeah, big up God forever. But speaking of, just to kind of put everything together. So you had a lot of things happen in your life. How does that keep your, whether it's good, bad, whatever the case may be, how does that keep your spirits together? Like, a situation like that. You know what I mean?
Honestly, I don't feel like, because I seen people dead right in front of me. You know what I'm saying? Certain things happen just for the music. Like, you know what I'm saying? That at some point in my career, like, it just, I don't feel like I even ever got over it. Like, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes I can't sleep at night. Like, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
And then I build tune and then, you know what I'm saying? I do
so you put in the music.
Yeah. So it's like, life is just, this is therapy for me.
Okay,
you know what I'm saying?
Which is very relatable. I think a lot of people could say that.
And music, I say music is a soul therapy.
Literally.
Yeah.
But speaking of music being a therapy, so you have all these new projects out. What do you have coming for the summer? Summer 2026. They market it as 2016, actually.
Yeah, 2016 part 2.
Right.
The song Who, produced by John FX, is going to be the #1 song
He's
at the end of the summer. I'm gonna jump on the Genius. You know the Genius thing?
You have to. You have to. Just for the culture.
It's nice. That right there, I feel like he unlock a...
He's bringing it back to the roots. Speaking of the roots,
the soul,
going full circle to the whole conversation, going back to the roots, the countryside, where it all starts in the beginning. So big up the Genius. He really is a genius.
Yes,
But
at the end of the summer, Who is going to be #1 song
#1
in dancehall? Guaranteed.
I believe it. I definitely.
All right, well, you heard it here first at Nuff Talk podcast. All right, we come for talk, you come to listen. You heard it, #1 song. But love that.
Where can the people follow you and
where can we find
your music and stuff like that?
Yanni Cassanova, YANNI _CASSANOVA on Instagram. Yanni Cassanova on all platforms.
Last question: where your name came from?
It's my real name. You know
Really?
what I'm saying? So yeah, you can Google me.
That's your first and your last name?
My first and my last name.
Oh, I thought it was a stage name.
By blood, not relation. I always say that. You know what I'm saying? So,
wow.
It's not stage name. No, it's my real name.
Your real name?
No, Casanova's is in. Yo, big up every Casanova. You know what I'm saying?
No, I wasn't sure. Because there are a lot of artists who go by their stage name.
West Indian?
Who?
Last West Indian, the chicken and waffles.
Yes, my old neighborhood.
My family, my auntie, Cherry Casanova.
Oh, big up
Cherry Casanova.
With the red waffles. With the red waffles and the blue waffles and the shrimp and chicken and waffles. Yeah, I used to get my hair done a block over back in the day. And then when they opened up, I was like,
over on Burke Ave, right?
This is Burke, right? Like 3 blocks away from Burke and White Plains Road on the 2 train.
By blood, not relation. You know what I mean? Yanni Casanova. And you know what I mean?
Big up, y'all.
Yeah. So
I like that. It's full circle moment.
But thank you so much for coming.
Thank you for coming.
For clearing the air and everything. All right, but thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow us on all digital platforms. Ain't no set. We'll come for talk. You come tell us.
One Nuff Talk.
Period.